I use this road, so-called road where there is no road, to commute to Outer Ring Road from Vattur. I spend at least an hour every single day just to sail through these potholes. Exactly there, I fell just few weeks back and I got seriously injured. And I don't even blame anyone else because it's a single road and I am the only person who is commuting on that road. So I can't even blame anyone. I just fell down just because of the bad condition of the road. And you won't believe the way Bangalore got a name as a garden city. There is no gardens. You have a airport terminal 2 which was talked about from many months across, and what we have to commute to that terminal 2. These kind of roads, I don't understand this. Where are the connectivity between those beautiful terminals to the livelihood? We have to have a proper infrastructure if you want to have a proper life and healthy life, basically.
My son was actually having a severe pain. He had to be admitted to Sakra Hospital. The ambulance came and took him to Sakra Hospital. The road was so much dug up 2 months back in January that we were telling drive slowly driver because he's crying out of pain. And the ambulance driver was yelling at us, sir, I put a siren, I have to drive fast. I cannot drive slow because the road is such dug up. This road is in such a bad condition that ambulance cannot travel on this road. I'll tell you, I've seen my tears in my son's eyes while he was being taken to the hospital in January because of stomach pain.
ಧೂಳು ಮಗ ಧೂಳು ದಿಮಕ ದಿಮಕ ಧೂಳು ಧೂಳು ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರೇ ಒಳಚರಂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಿನವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಒಳಚರಂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಿನವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಒಳಚರಂಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಿನವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಒಳಚರಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಿನವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಒಳಚರಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಿನವನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಒಳಚರಂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಿನ.
Like in the name of construction, people are coming with waste material. There is no standard rate to construct the road. Just sanction the money for the road construction. They do some construction. Immediate next day, the half of the road will be spoiled. If it rains, that's all 100% spoiled. And if it is some good construction also happening, very next day there is a dig they will do digging for the either phone line or gas line or electric line, some or other line they will do again dig it. And they will just, pura wastage of money. No proper management, no proper planning. We need a honest officer, honest utilization of our tax which we are paying. This is a high paid city.